HICCTV Security Group.
In this project, we had the task of installing security cameras for an auto repair shop. Our biggest challenge was drilling through a concrete wall to route the cables, which we managed to complete quickly and efficiently. As you can see, the cabling was done neatly and professionally using PVC conduits. In the end, our valued customer was thrilled with the clear footage and the advanced features of their new cameras. If the security of your business or family matters to you, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Learn about our exceptional prices and gift yourself the peace of mind you deserve.